Good morning. So this is a quick little tutorial of how to log in onto Google Classroom. So based on the email that you gave the homeroom teacher, that is the email that you should be using to log onto Google and into Google Classroom. So best thing to do is automatically just log into your Google, and this is mine, onto your Google account. And then do you see like a little waffle? We call it the waffle. You will click on the waffle and you should see Classroom. Now, usually it could be here in the bottom, or you just have to keep going all the way down, but this is how it looks. It looks like this, like a little chalkboard. You're gonna click on it, and then you should be able to see all the homeroom teacher. So if this is your homeroom teacher, you are going to press accept because it's a request that the teacher is giving you. And then after you accept it, you would be able to log in and see all of the material in there. Have fun.